Hey guys, how are you? Today in this video I will review on Infinix Note 40 Pro. Its display type is AMOLED display and its refresh rate is 120 Hz. Weight is 190 or 196 gram and its display size is 6.78 inches. Its display resolution is 1080 by 2436 pixels. And operating system is Android 14. Processor is MediaTek Dimensity 7020. Internal storage is 256 GB. RAM is 8 GB. Its front camera is 32 megapixel and its back camera is 108 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth. Battery capacity is 5000 mAh. And it has 45-watt wired charger. Colors are vintage green, Titan gold. So, that are the specifications. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for knowing about this types video when I upload.